the high-performance climb capability of the Lockheed Martin C-130 Super Hercules. On the runway, from the left, Fat Albert will soon be rolling. They'll accelerate to 125 miles per hour, perform a low transition, and execute a high-performance climb, placing the aircraft in a 45-degree nose-up attitude.
First move, updated winds are 220 at 10. We are the airfield and the airspace. You are clear for takeoff. Have a good one.
Just got bad today. The wild eyed boys that are new away. Haven't changed much this year. They cannot feel that's a great. They were asking if you were around, how you was.
Above the cockpit, the Blue Angel C-130 Fat Albert. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, hoping to inspire a culture of excellence and service country. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refined.
Good afternoon, boss. Updated winds are 240 at 12. Altimeter 2994 for corrected altimeter of 2860 for a center point elevation of 0 feet and a density altitude of 3,700 feet. Boss, squawk 0401, Whiskers, squawk 0405, pushbox, squawk 0406. You are clear to taxi via Delta, back taxi runway 36, line up and wait runway 36.
Once again, I'm Lieutenant Commander Thomas Zimmerman from Baltimore, Maryland, Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencer and media personnel we normally fly at each show.
50 at 8. We on the airfield and the airspace. You are clear for takeoff. Have a good one. Cleared for takeoff. Solos, we're clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff. Winds are 250 at 8. That's the left crosswind. Check your bunker brake off. Check your trim set. Check your nose. Wheel steering on. Maneuver. Got an application. Left turn out. Danny, down clear on 9. Boomer center, baby.
Now, to the left, Commander Armitage calls smoke on, off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are an afterburner. the Diamond Roll. All three aircraft flying as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver.
We used to load up. We didn't care where it was going. We had it made, we didn't know it. We were young, dumb, and so full of it. Broken bottles and graffiti.
Maneuver. Approaching center point. On Commander Armitas's command, all three pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees as they perform the Diamond Aileron Roll. Here's Commander Armitas.
A little pulse. Ready, hit it.
Establish a mirror image formation. However, look closely as both aircraft are the carrier landing configuration as they approach for maneuver we call the Fortis.
Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag. Bad chick, that could be a fantasy. I can
To the left, Lieutenant Commander Bradley is approaching to demonstrate the maximum performance turn rate of the F-18. He'll execute a 7.5G afterburning turn and exit the flight line vertically, showcasing the Super Hornet's turbo nose low capability. As the three Diamond pilots approach once again, you should notice one significant modification. While the wingman, Lieutenant Commander Kapushansky and Lieutenant Goosens maintain minimum wingtip to canopy separation, the flight leader is in the inverted position. From the right, the Blue Angel Farvel.
Don't you know I got keys like
From behind the spectator area, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are approaching the flight line at 400 miles per hour. Having rolled their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation, observe as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center. the Blue Angel Echelon Parade. Crossing center point, they'll complete 2 consecutive rolls, totaling 720 degrees, with a combined closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.
Yeah, we going down, down, babe. Your street in my bathroom. I'ma talk to you real slow. So we're the crowd that's grown. So living that y'all life, y'all. Y'all out and dance, tell them boys, son, walk it off.
As they exit to the right, you will notice that the entire formation has smoothly shifted back into the Blue Angel Diamond. Now the Blue Angels 5 and 6 have your attention. You've seen firsthand the ability of a tactical aircraft at high speed to sneak into a target area virtually undetected. Lieutenant Commander Stengel complete the maneuver with a series of vertical rolls, while Lieutenant Commander Bratton completes his rendezvous with a diamond to the right. The diamond in a line of rest formation. Still maintaining minimum separation, the pilots must now align themselves by looking 90 degrees from their flight path towards Commander Armitas's aircraft. They'll climb up through vertical, under heavy G, as they perform the very difficult 4-plane line of rest loop. As they exit to the left, Commander Armitage calls for another formation change prior to detaching Blue Angel number 5, crossing center point in the inverted position. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the opposing 4-point hesitation roll.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can go.
Behind the crowd, the 3 diamond pilots are rolling out in trail formation for a dynamic separation maneuver. Crossing center point, they'll climb up through vertical and smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical break.
You give me freedom, freedom, freedom I've been looking for. Freedom, freedom is you. So let's go.
roll the formation 90 degrees and perform a split S, finishing with a dynamic separation maneuver.
Go ahead and move your feet to the floor. It's a place you can do on that move. Sing along to the song. Let the music move your soul. Yeah, I know you feel it. Sometimes I go for me some Tim, bro. Sometimes I feel like T.I. Bow, bow. When I'm in love, I need my mom engaged. When I wanna rock, I let my arrows play. I don't know what you came for, but can I get a little?
As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Blue Angel will brake. Approaching center point, they will simultaneously roll their aircraft 420 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, the double tuckover roll.
I should be scared of you, so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes.
Rolling out the diamond formation for another dynamic maneuver, the low brake cross. Approaching center point, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. Accelerates to 500 miles per hour. They will perform a reversal turn back towards the flight line. You should be able to follow their individual smoke trails as all four aircraft converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation. Stengel are approaching to demonstrate the slow speed handling characteristics of the Super Hornet in the clean configuration. They'll pass before you, virtually standing Blue Angels 5 and 6 in their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight control system provides the slow speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the Section High Alpha Pass!
of the Imperial Valley provided us with the optimum conditions to fly each of the demonstration pilots and the 4 Diamond pilots will rendezvous through a looping maneuver. From the left, at 450 miles per hour, the Blue Angel Florida Lee. Let's listen in. Rendezvous complete, the Diamond will pass before you and exit the flight line to the right. The 2 solo pilots are rejoining the Diamond for another Delta maneuver. As they rendezvous, observe as Commander Armitage executes a reversal turn, rolling out the formation for the Delta loop break cross. Calls smoke on, ready break. As each aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they will perform a half Cuban 8 reversal turn. As they pull up over the top, they will converge on center point and cross with a combined closure rate of nearly 1,000 miles per hour. In front of the crowd, the Delta is making its approach to the flight line. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout! Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron represents a time-honored tradition of pride, professionalism, and excellence spanning 112 years of naval aviation. The 2023 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps aviators, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the right, your 2023 Blue Angels! requirements placed upon naval aviators is that they be able to land their aircraft on a ship at sea. Whether it be a tactical jet, propeller-driven aircraft, or helicopter, each requires skill which the naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this skill, Navy and Marine Corps pilots spend a great deal of time in the landing pattern practicing carrier approaches. In front of you now, Commander Armitage and his wingmen are demonstrating a simulated carrier pattern. Approaching the runway from the right, Commander Armitage is confirming that the landing checks have been completed and that each aircraft is in fact ready to land. Rolling out on final, they'll make constant power and lineup corrections, maintaining the optimum rate of descent for the proper touchdown point.